My Beko dishwasher is stuck on pumping out. I have reset it to start a new program a few times, but still it just pumps out and won't move on. Beko DW600 Integrated Dishwasher. Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If it's just pumping out all the time, then the anti-floold switch in the base is activated. Water will have leaked in there and activated it, and this is why the pump is running all the time. What you need to do is remove the wooden kickboard at the bottom of the kitchen. Then remove the metal cover at the bottom of the dishwasher below the door. Make sure it's unplugged and then use a sponge and soak the water up from the base. Or you need to pull the dishwasher out and tip it 45 degrees backwards, and this will drain the water out from there, so you will need a towel for that part. Then once it's cleared, the flood switch will reset itself and allow the dishwasher to work again. So see how it goes, but if it happens again, then there is a leak in there which you will need to find and fix to cure this. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.